महाराष्ट्रातील अग्रगण्य संस्था कानके केमिस्ट्री अकॅडमी 3 जून पासून सुरू होत आहे. खास 10वीतून 11वी सायन्स मध्ये प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी ऑनलाईन क्लासेस. ऑनलाईन साठी कुठलीही फी नाही. नीट, JEE, MHT, CET साठी स्पेशल बॅचेस. आजच आपला प्रवेश निश्चित करा. कॉल 9822600918 किंवा 9325729992.
Hello students, in previous videos we discussed all theory of ionic equilibria. Now in this video we start the numericals of ionic equilibria. Before going to the numericals, first we write the some important formulae. So which are the important formulae in equilibria? Important formulae. In that first is the Oersted law of dilution. In that first is Oersted law of dilution. Oersted law of dilution. So what is this? K is equal to alpha square C. It is for acid, and Kb is equal to alpha square C. It is for base. K is known as the dissociation constant of acid. Kb is known as the dissociation constant of base. And when we consider this, that is the second formula, that is alpha. So what is the alpha? Alpha is known as the degree of dissociation. So what is the alpha? Degree of dissociation or ionization. Number of moles dissociated at equilibrium upon total moles. Then what is the percentage of alpha? Alpha into 100, that gives the percentage of alpha. Then next is the what is the pH? pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration, or same minus log to the base 10 of H3O plus ion concentration. Hydronium ion and H plus ion concentration, same meaning. Then POH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. And then one more formula, pH plus POH, that is equal to 14. pH plus POH, that is equal to 14. Then next H plus into concentration of OH minus ion is equal to Kw, and its value equal to 10 raised to minus 14 at 298 Kelvin. So concentration of H plus ion into concentration of OH minus ion, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 14, and this is known as the ionic product of water. Then next is the what is next, and simple formula when we are talking about this. pH is equal to minus log to the H plus ion concentration. So what is H plus ion concentration is equal to basicity into alpha into concentration. Then second, OH minus ion concentration. So what is the OH minus ion concentration? That is equal to acidity into alpha into concentration. Then next, remember this, B is the basicity, alpha is the degree of ionization or dissociation, C is the concentration. Basicity, acid साठी असणार आहे basicity आणि base साठी असणार आहे acidity. Then next is the Henderson Hasselbalch equation. What is this Henderson Hasselbalch equation? So it is used to determine the pH for buffer solution. pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. pOH, what is the pOH? pKb plus log to the base 10. pKb log to the base 10 of concentration of salt upon concentration of base. And you know that what is the pH minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration? What is the pOH minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration? And then next is what is meaning of pKa? Here pKa is equal to minus log to the base 10 of K, and pKb is equal to minus log to the base 10 of Kb. So remember this pK and pKb. आता जो आणखी जो पार्ट आहे हायड्रोलिसिस, डिग्री ऑफ हायड्रोलिसिस आणि हायड्रोलिसिस कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ सॉल्ट, म्हणजे KH is equal to H square, KH equal to H square C for various types of salt, KH equal to KW upon K, KH equal to KW upon KB, KH is equal to KW upon K into KB. तो आपण MCQच्या वेळेस डिस्कस करणार आहोत. अगोदर हा थेरॉटिकल पार्ट जो तुम्हाला MCQ साठी आणि बोर्ड एक्झामसाठी युजफुल आहे. सो ऑल दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर्म्युले इन दिस टॉपिक. त्यामुळे व्हिडिओ पॉज करून हे सगळे फॉर्म्युले तुम्ही लिहून घेतले पाहिजेत. आणि नेक्स्ट टू स्टार्ट्स विथ द न्यूमेरिकल्स. All these are the very important formulae from ionic equilibrium. शिवाय तुम्हाला याच फॉर्म्युलाचा यूज तुम्हाला सोल्युशन्स कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी आणि इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री मध्ये सुद्धा यूज करता येईल. नाउ राइट डाउन न्यूमेरिकल्स. Dissociation, write down the numerical. Dissociation constant of acetic acid is dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Calculate percentage dissociation of of acetic acid. Calculate the percentage dissociation of acetic acid in 0.01 molar solution. So what is given here? When we consider the numericals, numerical always having two aspects. One is given, other is asked to you. What is given? Dissociation constant of acetic acid. So dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Calculate percentage dissociation of acetic acid. You have to calculate the percentage dissociation of acetic acid. How to calculate? Very simple. What is given in this numerical? काय दिलं problem मध्ये? So first to write the given. So what is given here? That is the dissociation constant. It is acid. What is K value? Is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. K is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Then what is concentration? 0.01 molar. That is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar. We simplify it. And then what is asked to you? You have to calculate the alpha. Therefore, according to Stokes law of dilution, what is the formula? K is equal to alpha square C. Therefore, alpha square is equal to K upon C. What is value of K? 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 upon, what is the concentration? 1 into 10 raised to minus 2. It becomes 10 raised to minus 3. So alpha square is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. Again simplify it. That is equal to 18 into 10 raised to minus 4. असं का करून घेतलं? Because it is easy to write the square root of 10 raised to minus 4. 10 raised to minus 3 पेक्षा 10 raised to minus 4 simple आहे, म्हणून 10 raised to minus 4 it become 18, taking square root on both side. That is equal to 18 into 10 raised to minus 2. What is square root of 10 raised to minus 4? 10 raised to minus 2. So very simple. Then we also write alpha is equal to, that is equal to, Mikhail, alpha is equal to root 18 म्हणजे काय? 18 raised to 1 by 2. So antilog its root 1 by 2 log of 18 into 10 raised to minus 2. 1 by 2. What is characteristic? That is the 1. What is mantissa? आता काही नॉर्मल व्हॅल्यूची मॅन्टिसा माझ्या लक्षात आहेत, तुम्हाला ती लॉग टेबल यूज करायला लागेल. सो 18 इट इज 2553. When we see the log, it is the log of 18 2553. That is equal to that is 0.6. 2 to the 4, that is 0.6, then 2, 0.62, what is here? 75. 6275. So it is the 6275, 0.6275, sorry, 6276. Okay, then taking antilog, याचा antilog आहे 0.6276. So what is its antilog? That is equal to 4242. I think 62चा 7 मध्ये 4236 असेल आणि 6 मध्ये मेन डिफरन्स 6 असेल. सो 4236 प्लस 6. यूज द लॉग टेबल. तुम्ही लॉग टेबल यूज करा. व्हॉट इज कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक? carry this 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 2. So it is 4.242 into 10 raised to minus 2. So what is the alpha? This is the value of alpha. What is our requirement? You have to calculate the percentage alpha. काय काढायचं आपल्याला? Percentage alpha. Therefore percentage alpha is equal to what? 4.242 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 100. So that percentage alpha, what is the percentage alpha? That is equal to 4.242. So remember this one. percentage alpha is the 4.242. This is the very simple numerical. What is this numerical? Dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 2. Calculate the percentage dissociation of acetic acid in 0.01 molar. Concentration of solution is 0.01 molar. Then what is asked to you? Percentage alpha. Simple, that is in front of you. Okay, so next problem, pH of solution is, write down next problem, pH of solution is 6.06. What is the pH of solution? 6.06. Calculate H plus ion concentration. So read this problem carefully. What is given? pH of solution is 6.06. Calculate the H plus ion concentration. How to calculate the H plus ion concentration? You know the simple formula. What is given? First we always write the given here. What is given? So in this problem, given. So what is given? What is given here? Given pH is equal to, so what is the pH? pH is equal to, what is pH? 6.06. pH is the 6.06, and simply you have to calculate the H plus ion concentration. So H plus ion concentration, pH is 6.06, and what is asked to you? H plus ion concentration. What is our formula? pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. दिलंय काय? pH. विचारलंय काय? H plus ion concentration. Therefore, we say that minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration equal to what? pH. What is the value of pH? 6.06. 6.06. It is the value of pH. Therefore, rearrange the term log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration is equal to minus 6.06. We require only H plus ion concentration. Ha log नको आहे. So taking anti-log on both side. Taking anti-log on both side. Taking anti-log on both side. Therefore, we write that log, that's anti-log, it get cancelled. So what is this? H plus ion concentration is equal to anti-log of minus 6.06. मुलं इथं चुका करतात. काय करतात? 0.06 anti-log पाहतात. असं नाही करता येणार. Why not? See this one. What is meaning of minus 6.06? That is equal to minus 6 minus 0.06. तुम्ही 0.06 चा पाहताय, म्हणजे मायनस 0.6 चा पाहताय, मायनस 0.06 चा पाहताय, जे लॉगमध्ये अँटीलॉगमध्ये पॉसिबल नाही. मग काय करायचं? हे आता बाजूला कुठेतरी लिहून ठेवा. इट इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम. तुम्हाला माहीत असं म्हणून मी देतोय. -6 -1 +1. आपण काय केलं? काहीच केलं नाही. -1 + 1 -0.06 -0.06 -1 -6 -7 +1 -0.6. What is this? That is the 4. 10 - 6, then it is the 9, 0.94, आणि तो लिहिताना आपण असं लिहिणार बार 7.94. बार 7.94 means this is the negative and it is the positive आणि my 0.94 चा आपण अँटीलॉग पाहू शकतो. सो रिमेंबर दिस. हे कसं गेलं आहे वाटलं तर इथे आपण एकदा करून ठेवतो. अँटीलॉग -6 -0.06 नंतर आपण डायरेक्ट करणार आहोत. दॅट इज इक्वल टू अँटीलॉग -6 -1 + 1 -0.06. As we solve it, it become antilog -6 -7 -1 plus 0.94 plus 0.94. Then finally it become antilog bar 7.94. म्हणजे अँटीलॉग आपल्याला 0.94 चा पाहायचा आहे आणि कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक किती असायला पाहिजे बार 7. ॲज वी यूज द अँटीलॉग व्हॉट इज इट्स दॅट इज 8710. लेट मी चेक इट. 8710 X correct. 8710. So 8710, what is this? 8.710 into 10 raised to -7, and then what is this? It is the H plus ion concentration. Therefore write H plus ion concentration, that is equal to 8.710 into 10 raised to -7. This is your answer. So what is your problem? pH of solution is 6.06. Calculate the H plus ion concentration. काय दिले प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये? pH दिलाय आणि विचारलंय काय तुम्हाला त्याचा H plus ion concentration. So very simple problem. Now next problem is the next problem. व्हिडिओ पॉज करून प्रॉब्लेम लिहित चला. Calculate the pH of 0.01 molar H2SO4. Calculate the pH of 0.01 molar H2SO4. What is given here? Molarity of H2SO4 is given. So H2SO4 is strong acid. If you want to determine the pH, you should know the H plus ion concentration. आता इथे एक पॉइंट महत्त्वाचा आहे. H plus ion concentration. So what is the H plus ion concentration? This is the formula. H plus ion concentration is equal to basicity into alpha into concentration. हा एक फॉर्म्युला असेल. H2SO4 is diabasic acid 2. स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिड आहे त्यामुळे अल्फा इज 1 आणि कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इज 0.01. सो इट बिकम 0.02. असं H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन काढता येईल. जो फॉर्म्युला आपण सुरुवातीलाच न्यूमेरिकल लिहिताना दिलेला आहे H प्लस बी बेसिसिटी. आणि मी अनेक वेळा सांगितलेलं आहे ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही pH काढताना H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कन्सिडर करता, दिस H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन रिप्रेझेंट द नॉर्मॅलिटी. दिस H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन रिप्रेझेंट द नॉर्मॅलिटी. H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन काय रिप्रेझेंट करतंय? नॉर्मॅलिटी रिप्रेझेंट करतंय. म्हणजे H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इज इक्वल टू बेसिसिटी इंटू अल्फा इंटू सी. हा एक फॉर्म्युला असेल ज्यामुळे तुम्हाला काय मिळेल? H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. जर बेसिसिटी 1 असेल, ॲसिडसाठी बेसिसिटी असते, बेसला ॲसिडिटी असते. ही बेसिसिटी इज 1, ॲसिड इज स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिड, देन H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इज इक्वल टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑर मोलरिटी. किंवा आणखी एक मेथड सांगतो तुम्हाला. इथं म्हणजे काय दिलंय पहा, गिवन. सो व्हॉट इज गिवन? वी राईट द गिवन डाटा. व्हॉट इज गिवन हिअर? कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन 0.01 मोलर, 0.01 मोलर, and you have to calculate the pH. Therefore we also write H2SO4, H2SO4, it get dissociates as it is a strong acid, twice of H plus in aqueous medium, and it is the SO4 2 minus aqueous. So what is the concentration of H plus? 0.01 molar. After dissociation, what happened? Concentration of H plus ion is double than the concentration of H2SO4. म्हणजे H plus ion, कारण 1 H2SO4 किती देईल? 2 moles of H plus ion. आणि म्हणून काय म्हटलं मी? Concentration of H plus ion is double than the concentration of H2SO4, that is 2.2 into 0.01. What is the concentration of sulfate? त्याची गरज नाही, but that is same, 0.01. So what is concentration of H plus ion here? H plus ion concentration, that is equal to 0.02. That is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. So this is your H plus ion concentration. We have to calculate the pH. आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे? pH. So how to calculate the pH? Therefore pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration, that is equal to minus log to the base 10. What is H plus ion? 2. What is this? 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. So very simple. That is equal to, yes, 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus log 2 plus bar 2. 10 raised to minus 2. Log A into B. Log A plus log B. So minus 2 log to the base 10. So what is this? That is equal to minus log 2. What is characteristic? Log 2 plus minus minus. What is value of log 10? 1. So it become log 2 minus 2. So finally we also write that is the 2 minus log 2. 2 minus what is 0? 3 0 1 0. 3 0 1 0, that is equal to, yes, 0, 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 0, sorry, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 3 6, 1.6990. So this is the, what is pH? pH is equal to 1.6990. This is the pH. काय दिलं? Calculate the pH of 0.01 molar H2SO4. What is this? H plus ion concentration 0.02, 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Then what is the formula? pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. Put the H plus, नंतर आपण प्रॅक्टिसने डायरेक्ट लिहू शकतो. काय? 2 minus log 2. So log 2 minus 2, rearrange the term, minus minus plus 2 minus log 2. What is value of log 2? काय नॉर्मल डिजिटचे log तुम्हाला माहीत असावे लागतात. ओके, सो दिस इज द व्हेरी सिंपल फॉर्म्युला टू फाइंड आउट द pH. ओके, so in this video we can determine the pH of H2SO4. If H plus ion concentration is given, we can determine the pH, and you know the formula of pH plus pOH is equal to 14. pH plus pOH equal to 14. pOH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. Now next numerical is acetic acid. Acetic acid is 5%. Acetic acid is 5% ionized. Ionized in its decimolar solution. Acetic acid is the 5% ionized in its decimolar solution. Calculate the dissociation constant of acid. Calculate the dissociation constant of acid. What is the numerical? Acetic acid is 5% ionized in its decimolar solution. Calculate the dissociation constant of acid. Dissociation constant म्हणजे काय काढायचं आहे? K. 5%. What is given? Alpha is given to you. Decimolar. What is meaning of prefix? Deci 10 raised to minus 1, centi 10 raised to minus 2, milli 10 raised to minus 3, micro 10 raised to minus 6. So you know that nanometer, picometer 10 raised to minus 12. So acetic acid is 5% ionized in its deci. Deci means 10 raised to minus 1 molar. So what is the concentration? 10 raised to minus 1 molar. So we write the given data here. What is given? So given, that is the alpha is given. What is alpha? 5% means 5 upon 100, 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is the alpha. Percent, 5%, 5 upon 100 means 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. What is the concentration? Concentration is equal to decimolar. Deci means what? 10 raised to minus 1 molar or 0.1 molar, and you have to calculate the K, dissociation constant of acid. What is the formula of K? According to Oersted law of dilution, K is equal to what? Alpha square C. According to Oersted law of dilution, what is the K? K is equal to alpha square C. Then is it alpha is given here? No. मग आता आपल्याला अल्फा अगोदर कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लागेल. अल्फा कॅल्क्युलेट करा किंवा अदरवाइज तुम्ही की ठीक आहे अल्फाच कॅल्क्युलेट करा ना, सिंपल राहील. So K is equal to alpha square C. Then what is given here? That is the alpha is given here. Sorry, alpha is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Normal alpha is given, so no need to calculate alpha directly given. So K is equal to what? Alpha square C. जर अल्फा दिला नसेल तर आपल्याला अल्फा कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लागला असता, परंतु अल्फा दिला इथे. So K is equal to alpha square C. What is alpha here? 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 bracket square into what is the C concentration is 10 raised to minus 1. 5 into 5, that is a 25 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 1, that is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 1 into 25, 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4. This is the K according to Oersted law of dilution. This formula is Oersted law of dilution, and Oersted law of dilution is applicable only for weak electrolyte. काही प्रॉब्लेमचे आन्सर टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये रॉंग दिलेले आहेत, तेवढे चेक करून घ्या. सो व्हॉट इज हिअर? ॲसिटिक ॲसिड इज 5% आयनाइज, देअरफॉर अल्फा इज 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 decimolar, therefore concentration is 0.1 molar, and by using this we can determine the K, dissociation constant of acid. And now next is we write the next problem. pH of weak monobasic acid is, write down the problem. pH of weak monobasic acid is प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लेम व्यवस्थित लिहून घ्या, व्हिडिओ पॉज करून समजून घ्या. pH of weak monobasic, pH of weak monobasic acid is 3.2. So what is given here? pH of weak monobasic acid is 3.2. In its 0.02 molar solution. What is given? pH of weak monobasic acid is 3.2 in its 0.02 molar solution. What is asked to you? Calculate its dissociation constant. Calculate its dissociation constant. What is given to you? pH of weak monobasic. So what is this basicity? It is weak. Weak means considered the alpha. जर acid weak असेल, strong असेल, the alpha is close to 1 or it is 1. It is weak, therefore alpha is considerable. It is not equal to 1, it is less than 1. जे आपण शिकलेलो आहोत, when electrolyte is the weak electrolyte, alpha is less than 1, and when electrolyte is the strong electrolyte, alpha is 1. Then weak monobasic, mono, what is the basicity of this acid is 1, monobasic. And what is the pH? pH is given to 3.2. So by using the pH we can determine the H plus ion concentration. By using the pH we can determine the H plus ion concentration. By knowing the H plus ion concentration we find out the alpha, and in our regular formula K is equal to alpha square C. K विचारलाय ना, मग alpha लागेल नंतर सी लागेल. मग अगोदर काय दिलंय काय प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये. सो फर्स्ट वी राईट द गिव्हन हिअर. सो व्हॉट इज गिव्हन? व्हॉट इज गिव्हन? pH. pH is equal to 3.2. Concentration is equal to 0.02 molar. 0.02 molar simplified 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 molar. Then what is asked to you? K. Therefore we again write the pH. But the pH, since pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. Therefore log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration is equal to minus pH. Minus pH. What is pH? 3.2. Minus 3.2. We have to find out that is first H plus ion concentration. So log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration, that is equal to minus 3.2. Minus 3.2, and therefore we also write that is the taking antilog on both sides. So H plus ion concentration, that is equal to antilog minus 3.2. म्हणजे प्रिव्हियस प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सांगितलं होतं की याचा अँटीलॉग तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट पाहता येणार नाही. सो हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट द अँटीलॉग? मग तुम्हाला माहिती आहे दॅट इज इक्वल, वाटलं परत एकदा घेऊ आपण ते. अँटीलॉग मायनस 3.1 माय प्लस 1 मायनस 0.2. मायनस 3.2 मीन्स मायनस 3 मायनस 0.2 म्हणजे मायनस 3.2 मायनस 1 प्लस 1. हे डायरेक्ट पण लिहिता येईल तुम्हाला. अँटीलॉग दॅट इज बार 4, that is 8. हे असं पण लिहिलं 10 minus 2 8 minus 3 minus 1 bar 4 bar 4.8. So it is easy to find out the antilog of 8, and when we see the antilog of 8, it is the 6310. What is the antilog? 6310. 6 तुम्हाला अँटीलॉग लॉग टेबल यूज करावं लागेल. प्रॅक्टिसने हे व्हॅल्यू माझ्या लक्षात राहिल्यात. 6310. So it is 6.310 into 10. What is characteristic? Bar 4 आपण 0.0006310 असल्याऐवजी काय लिहिलंय 6.310 into 10 raised to minus 4. What is this? It is the H plus ion concentration. It is the H plus ion concentration. Okay. Then we have to calculate the alpha. So what is the formula of alpha? You know that H plus ion concentration is equal to basicity into alpha into C. So what is alpha? Alpha is equal to H plus ion concentration upon basicity into concentration. So what is H plus ion concentration? H plus ion concentration we calculate here 6.310. This 6.310 into 10 raised to minus 4 upon basicity is 1. What is the concentration? What is concentration? That is the 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. What happened? It is 10 raised to minus 2. And then what is that? Is equal to 3.155. 3.155 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is the value of alpha. What is value of alpha? 3.155 into 10 raised to minus 2. आता अल्फा व्हॅल्यू आली आपल्याकडे, कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे. वी राईट द फॉर्म्युला. सो के इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर सी. के इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर सी. दॅट इज इक्वल टू what is alpha value? 3.155. 3.155 into 10 raised to minus 2 bracket square. And what is the concentration? 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. That is equal to 3.155 bracket square into 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 square, 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 6. And then we write this by we complete this calculation by using the log table, that is सिम्प्लिफाय. तुम्हाला लॉग टेबल ज्या एका खाली एक मांडलं तरी चालेल. ही कमी जागा असल्यामुळे मी असं मांडतो, असंही केलं तरी चालेल. लॉग ऑफ स्क्वेअर इज 2 लॉग ऑफ 3.155 प्लस लॉग 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. 10 raised to minus 6. That is equal to 2. What is characteristic? 0. 31 चा 5. 5 मध्ये 4. 9. 9 0. Yes, 31 चा 5. 5. 4 9. 9 0. Let me check it. 4 9. 9 0. 31 चा 5. Right, 4983 plus 7. 4983 plus 7, that is equal to 4990 plus 0.3010. It is normal into 10 raised to minus 6. That is equal to simple 0, 9 to the 18. 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9, plus 0.3010 into 10 raised to minus 6. That is equal to simple addition. 0 plus 0, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 3, 12, and that is the 1. So what is this? 1.2990 into 10 raised to minus 6. 1.2990 into 10 raised to minus 6. So what is 29 चा 9 मध्ये? 1991. So it is anti-lock. check करून घ्या तुम्ही एकदा. 1991 19.91 into 10 raised to minus 6. Therefore we also write that is equal to, what is K? 1.991 into 10 raised to minus 5, and this is the value of K. So remember the value of K that is in front of you. First read the problem. pH of weak monoacidic acid is 3.2. In it 0.02 molar solution, calculate dissociation constant. What is pH is given? pH is 3.2. What is the concentration? 0.02. आणि मग आपण कुठला फॉर्म्युला वापरला? K इज इक्वल टू अल्फा स्क्वेअर C. आणि सिम्पल कॅल्क्युलेशन. प्रॅक्टिस जेवढी जास्त होईल ना प्रॉब्लेममध्ये, तेवढे जास्तीत जास्त तुम्हाला MCQ सुद्धा सॉल्व्ह होतील. म्हणून प्रॉब्लेमकडे इग्नोर अजिबात नाही करायचं. मॅक्झिमम प्रॅक्टिस करा. याचे सगळे तुम्हाला याचे जे इम्पॅक्ट्स आहेत ते तुम्हाला एंट्रन्समध्ये दिसतील. ओके, अँड नाऊ नेक्स्ट. व्हिडिओ पॉज करा आणि हा प्रॉब्लेम लिहून घेतला तरी चालेल. Calculate the pH of 10 raised to minus 8 molar HCl. Very important problem. It was also asked for the entrance exam. So calculate the pH of 10 raised to minus molar HCl. You have to calculate the pH of 10 raised to minus 8 molar HCl. See this one important thing. H plus is equal to basicity into alpha into concentration. What is basicity? 1. HCl is monobasic acid. ते माहीत असावं लागतं. वाटलं तर मी एका बाजूला लिहिल परत एकदा इथे. Alpha is 1 and concentration is 10 raised to minus 8. So what is concentration? 10 raised to minus 8. आता हा प्रॉब्लेम इम्पॉर्टंट काय? जर तुम्ही याचा pH काढला बाय युजिंग द फॉर्म्युला, काय येईल फॉर्म्युला? pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration minus log to the base 10 of 10 raised to minus 8, that is equal to minus मग काय येईल -8 log 10 and then it is 8. pH is 8. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because there is no any acid whose pH is less than more than 7. ॲसिड म्हटलं की त्याचा pH किती यायला पाहिजे, लेस दॅन 7च यायला पाहिजे. तुम्ही असं नाही म्हणू शकत HCl is acid and pH is 8. How it is possible? पॉसिबलच नाही आहे. What is meaning of this 10⁻⁸ molar HCl? It is dilute acid. मग डायल्यूट कशाने करणार? इट इज डायल्युटेड बाय द वॉटर. सो व्हेन ॲसिड इन ॲसिड H, लक्षात ठेवायचं, व्हेन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H+ आयन इन ॲसिड इफ इट इज लेस दॅन 10⁻⁷, जर ते 10⁻⁷ पेक्षा कमी असेल, 10⁻⁸ लेस दॅन 10⁻⁷, देन कन्सिडर द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ H+ आयन फ्रॉम वॉटर. तोच क्रायटेरिया बेससाठी. इफ बेस इज द NaOH किंवा एनी टाईप ऑफ बेस आणि त्या बेसमध्ये OH मायनसचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन लेस दॅन 10⁻⁷ असेल, अगेन कन्सिडर द OH- आयन फ्रॉम वॉटर. म्हणजे ॲसिड म्हटलं की त्याचा pH 7च्या खाली यायला पाहिजे आणि बेस म्हटलं की pH 7पेक्षा जास्त यायला पाहिजे. असं काय येत असेल तर इट इज रॉंग. देन हाऊ टू डिटरमाइन द pH ऑफ सच टाईप ऑफ सोल्युशन, हाऊ टू डिटरमाइन द pH ऑफ सच टाईप ऑफ ॲसिड? सो व्हेरी सिम्पल. मग आता आपलं रेग्युलर मेथड काय? सी दिस वन, H+ HCl. आता इथं काय लिहिणार मी? तरी एकदा फॉर्म्युला लिहितो. गिव्हन याचा pH किती येऊ देत, पण लेस दॅन 7च यायला पाहिजे. सो गिव्हन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इज 10⁻⁸ molar. It is the concentration. Then this, what is, you have to calculate the pH. Then see this one, what is the H+ ion concentration? It is basicity into alpha into concentration. It is monobasic acid. Strong acid आहे ते माहीत असो, and that is 10⁻⁸. ॲसिड कुठले वीक कुठले स्ट्रॉंग हे थेरीमध्ये सांगितलं मी तुम्हाला. and this is the H+ ion concentration. Definitely H+ ion concentration, it is from acid. So what is H+ ion concentration from acid? 10⁻⁸. So here H+ ion concentration from acid is 10⁻⁸. If H+ ion concentration is 10⁻⁸, it is less than 10⁻⁷. आता आपण H+ ion concentration, it is dilute acid. आता आपण H+ ion concentration कुठलं घेणार? We can take from water. So you know that in water, H+ ion concentration in water, W for water, what is this? 10⁻⁷. वॉटरमध्ये H+ ion concentration आणि OH- सेम असेल. In water, concentration of H+ ion equal to concentration of OH- ion, that is equal to 10⁻⁷. And therefore, what is total H+ ion concentration? Total H+ ion concentration, that is equal to H+ ion concentration from water and H+ ion concentration from acid. From water, what is H+ ion concentration from water? 10⁻⁷. What is from acid? 10⁻⁸. What is common? 10⁻⁷. So 1 plus 10⁻⁻1 into 10⁻⁷. What is common here? 10⁻⁷ is common. That is equal to 1. 10⁻⁻1, 0.1 into 10⁻⁷. Therefore, we write total H+ ion concentration, that is equal to 1.1 into 10⁻⁷. Therefore, we write the pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H+ ion concentration, that is equal to minus log to the base 10. What is H+ ion concentration? 1.1 into 10⁻⁷. 1.1 into 10⁻⁷, that is equal to minus log 1.1 plus -7 log 10. because log 10⁻⁷ म्हणजे -7 log 10, that is equal to, आता मी डायरेक्टली द मायनस प्लस मायनस प्लस 7. ठीक आहे, वाटलं तर एक स्टेप लॉग लक्षात आलं पाहिजे, स्टेप कमी करायचे आपल्याला. आता 1 -7 log 10 व्हॅल्यू इज 1, इट इज इक्वल टू 7 minus log 1.1. 1.1, 11 is the normal value. You know the log of 11. अनेक वेळा तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिसने पाहिलेलं आहे. 7 minus 0. Characteristic is 0 and 11 चा 0 मध्ये 0.414. That is equal to, yes, that is the 6. That is the 9 minus 1, 8, 5, 9 and 6. So what is pH here? pH here is 6.9586. So what is this pH? Definitely it is close to 7 but less than 7, and it is less than 7, hence it is acid. So simple. Remember this, it is very important problem. वाटलं तर काय ॲसिड्स आणि बेस, ॲसिड आणि बेसिसिटी एक माहीत असावी तुम्हाला म्हणून सांगतो. ॲसिड HCl, बेसिसिटी इज 1. ॲसिड H2SO4, बेसिसिटी इज 2. ॲसिड HNO3, it is 1. Acid CH3COH, acetic acid, it is 1. H3PO3 PO4, it is 3. H3PO3, it is 2. Why it is 2? ते पुढे तुम्हाला P ब्लॉक मध्ये येणारच आहे. It is diabasic acid. Base with acidity, हे कुठेतरी नोट डाऊन करा. बेस, सो NaOH 1, KOH 1, magnesium hydroxide 2, calcium hydroxide 2. So this is very important, so remember all this part. Okay, so we see this problem and also see how to determine the K, how to determine the alpha value. So this is the important part. Remaining part we'll discuss in next video. Next problem. In NaOH solution, OH minus concentration, OH minus ion, OH minus concentration is square bracket काय represent करतो? OH minus concentration is 2.87, is 2.87 into 10 raised to minus 4. Calculate its pH. Calculate its pH. In OH minus concentration, in NaOH solution, OH minus concentration is 2.87 into 10 raised to minus 4. Calculate its pH. So you have to calculate the pH of this solution. So how to calculate the pH of this solution? आता दिलंय काय? बेस आणि विचारलंय काय? pH. मग आता अगोदर एकतर OH मायनस वरनं तुम्हाला H प्लस काढावं लागेल. त्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला काय? H प्लस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इंटू OH मायनस आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन इक्वल टू 10 raised to minus 14. किंवा बेटर वे अगोदर POH काढू आणि नंतर आपण pH काढू. कुठला आहे सिंपल फॉर्म्युला? ओके, सो व्हॉट इज गिवन हियर? given, so what is given? That is OH minus ion concentration. OH minus ion concentration is 2.87 into 10 raised to minus 4. 2.87 into 10 raised to minus 4 is the OH minus ion concentration. एक मिनिट. Then you have to calculate the pH. Therefore, we also write that POH. आता POH काढायला लागेल because OH concentration, because base NaOH is there, so POH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. That is equal to minus log to the base 10. What is OH minus ion concentration? OH minus ion concentration is 2.87 into 10 raised to minus 4. That is equal to minus log of 2.87 plus minus 4 log 10. Log of 2.87 plus minus 4 log 10 minus, what is this? That is equal to log. So what is the minus? Must solve this. That is equal to minus log 2.87 plus minus 4 log 10 is 1. That is equal to 4 minus log 2.87. 2.87, that is equal to 4 minus characteristic is 0. It is 4579. Let me clear it. Yes, 4579. Then we also write POH. POH. So what is the POH? 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, and then 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5, and then 4 minus 1, 3. It is 3.5421. This is the POH. आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट काय करायचं आहे? pH. Therefore pH plus POH, since pH plus POH equal to what? 14. Therefore pH is equal to 14 minus POH. Therefore we also write that pH is equal to 14 minus, what is POH? 3.5421. Therefore pH is equal to 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 2, that is the 9 minus 2, that is the 7, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, and here it is the 3 minus 3, it is 0, and then it is 1. So it is the 10.4579. So what is the pH? pH is equal to 10.458 लिहिलं तरी चालेल किंवा 79. So this is about the pH. So what is the pH is equal to 10.4579. 10.4579. So it is one of the problem. Very simple problem. Okay. Then one more problem. You write the two problem and you solve at home. Dissociation constant of NH4OH is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Calculate its degree of dissociation. Calculate its degree of dissociation. means you have to calculate the alpha. This is one problem for homework. What is asked in this problem? You have to calculate the alpha. असं वाटलं तर आन्सर, याचा आन्सर असेल, आपण सेम टाईपचा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केलेला आहे 0.04242. What is given here? Dissociation constant of NH4OH. The next, that is a weak monobasic acid is, write down next problem, a weak monobasic acid is 0.05%. What is this? A weak monobasic acid is 0.05%, 0.05% dissociated. म्हणजे काय दिलं याच्यासाठी? अल्फा. A weak monobasic acid is dissociated 0.05%, is 0.05% dissociated in its 0.2 molar solution. In its 0.02 molar solution. A weak monobasic acid is 0.05% dissociated in its 0.02 molar solution. Calculate its dissociation constant. Calculate its dissociation constant. Calculate its dissociation constant. So what is given here? That is the alpha is given to you, concentration is also given to you. What is alpha? Alpha is 0.05% and you have to calculate the dissociation constant, means K. So what is the value of K? K is the 5. So what is this? You have to calculate the K. So what is the answer? Answer, that is the 5 into 10 raised to minus 9. 5 into 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, we stop here.